In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube ads in Google Ads. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the dashboard, click New Campaign. Next, choose your campaign objective or select Create a campaign without a goals guidance if you prefer more control. Then choose Video as the campaign type. After that, select the campaign subtype that best matches your advertising goal. Configure your campaign name, budget, bidding strategy, locations, languages, and any other targeting settings. Now create your ad group by choosing your target audience. You can target users based on demographics, interests, keywords, topics, or specific YouTube channels and videos. Next, paste the YouTube video URL you want to promote, choose your ad format, enter the required ad details, and review the preview before continuing. Finally, review all your campaign settings and click Publish to launch your YouTube ad. Monitor your campaign performance from the Google Ads dashboard and make adjustments as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create YouTube ads in Google Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.